Welcome back. This program is in test of your string and list manipulation skills. Our goal is to take a sentence, reverse the characters within each word, just like we did with slicing, but keep the original order of the words in the sentence. This requires a three-step process: split, process with a loop, and join. 1. Split and setup. We start by defining our sentence. The first step is to use the split method to break the sentence into a list of individual words. We also initialize an empty list processed_words to store our reversed words. 2. The loop and slicing. We iterate through the list of words using a for loop. Inside the loop, for each individual word, we apply the slicing technique ::1 to reverse its characters. This reversed word is then appended to our processed_words list. Three. Reassembling the sentence. Finally, we use the join method with a space delimiter to turn the list of reversed words back into a complete sentence. The resulting string has the word order preserved, but the internal characters of each word are backwards. To summarize, the pattern of separating, processing elements individually, and then reassembling is fundamental to many complex data manipulation tasks. Our next lecture 10.05. Remove duplicate chars. See you there.